Go look, Austin. Go look in the yard. Oh, that's a hard one, Austin. Oh, that's. I guess it. Oh, look, she got a hard one, Austin.
She got, well, not a hard one, but that's good, Emily.
That's an easy one.
That's good. Come here, sweetie.
Oh, that's Emily one. Emily.
Emily, look, sweetie. Austin was helping you.
Good, Austin. That's great.
This one isn't really a big
That's good, Emily.
No, that's one from the other day.
Good, Emily gets, she's getting the harder ones. I see. You got a blue one. Yeah, that's right. Emily, what about an orange one?
Sweetie, most of them are on the ground. Some are just harder to find than others. Oh, look, you found the ones in the tree. That's great, sweetie.
Good. Emily, come here. Here's something for you, I bet.
Are you taking pictures of her?
Not right now.
She's looking over here, Austin. She found one too. It's,
You see one over here? Good. Oh. Wow.
let's see your basket.
Where else
Let's see
did
your
you
basket.
find one?
Okay, you want to look at Austin?
Did you find one by the tree? Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, by that tree. Two by that tree.
Wow.
And
Well,
Whoa, what's it up there?
well.
That's Austin, right?
I want to find some more.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you found one, Emily. That's good. Oh, look, she said.
Bunny. Come on right there. Family. Where can I find it?
Did you look back there?
Where can I eat the bunny? Fine.
Well, sometimes they hide them up high. What?
Yay.
I didn't get it because you went too fast.
That was good, Emily. How about looking on the ground?
Keep going. Emily found up one.
Good. A yellow one.
Austin, Emily found one high up. Did you find any high up? Go look over by this back house. I know, but high up this time.
Oh, you found one. That's an Emily one, but that's okay.
No, that's fun. Here. Yes,
That's
you did.
good.
Go look over by the back house. I see one real high up. Very high up.
What? There's one on the air conditioner.
Don't get me on tape.
You can't. Maybe Daddy will help you. Sweetheart, it says battery. Let's see, Emily. You see?
Let's see, Mommy.
Daddy's helping Austin reach up for that Easter egg.
Cool.
Cool. That's right. Let's get you. Let's get you on tape. There might be somewhere high elsewhere. Yes. Austin, you know what? Come here because Emily found an egg near the little watering can. Emily found an egg right on top of the little watering can.
Go look at the other watering can.
No, she already found one on the little one, but what about the big one?
Emily, look right behind you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
that's a hard one.
I
That's good,
see
guys.
it here.
You guys both have found a lot of eggs, so we may think it's important. Oh, that's Emily's probably. That's okay, sweetie. You were just shaking it. And now find one that's higher up, Austin, for you.
Look up, Austin. It fell. Look up, Austin. Come where Mommy's standing and look around.
Go where Mommy's standing. And look around.
Up. Look up.
Oh, there's nothing hidden for Daddy. You have to share with Dad. Oops.
Uh-oh.
They don't shake very well.
Some don't shake very well, do they, Emily?
Uh-oh.
Extreme close-up. Emily Grace.
All in my head.
Yeah, pick them up.
You guys are so cute.
You.
Do you see an egg? Show her, Austin.
Let Emily get it.
Yay, let Emily get it. Good.
Okay, Austin, stand next to Emily for a sec. Okay, both of you look at me. Bye-bye, Emily. Just look cute without
Emily.
your hand there. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Flower fruit.
It's a lot. The Easter Bunny brought a lot.
Look
Oh,
at that.
Emily.
Yeah. With this, yeah.
That's Daddy and Austin. But you know, I wanted to take a picture of you. There you go, cutie. You guys come back into view.
My girl, Emily. My boy, Austin.
They're adorable.
They look like their mommy. Very good looking.
Let's try to get them together. Is that a possibility?
We need to settle Emily down and then Austin's pretty good about it.
Emily, what are you going to have for real breakfast, huh?
Jelly beans? Chocolate bunnies? Are you eating that? I'm eating wood. She's all girl.
Yep.
Come over here, sit next to Emily. Let's see what everybody got.
You may have one.
Oh, you're sweet. Did you say
Thank
Emily?
you. Did you say thank you? She did.
Thank you, Emily.
You can eat it.
Austin, will you sit down by Emily, sweetheart?
Thank you, sweetie. Will you sit by Emily,
We
please?
went with
Thank you.
Sit over here next to Emily so we can get you two in the videotape.
Hmm.
Maybe get a still picture.
Skittles.
Okay, Austin, if you look at me, it's going to be cute.
Cute, Emily.
Last picture.
Oh, no. Do we have any more film?
Let me go see. I don't think so.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. And they're so cute, too. Hi, Austin.
hi.
What do you have in your mouth?
Oh.
Uh-oh, what, Emily? That's just the camera making noise. Happy Easter, you guys. Mommy and Daddy love you. We do. That's sweet, Austin. That's okay, doll. Oh, thank you, Emily. Thank you for sharing.